a free opt-in, regardless of what kind of business you're in, is always a great marketing idea, which is the whole point of doing contests. So give me an overview of some of the most popular contests that you can create in KickOff Labs.
Yeah, so KickOff Labs as a contest platform has really we enable a bunch of different mechanics, and so there's the traditional sort of mechanic of enter to win, which I think is the most common one that people think about when they think about an online giveaway or contest, whereby somebody enters a contest and you might be entered to win some sort of prize or set of prizes, and you have a chance at winning one of those prizes. The twist that KickOff Labs adds to it, and other contest tools can add to this as well, is saying, hey, you want to improve your odds of winning? Join our audience. You want to improve your odds of winning? Get your friend to sign up for the competition as well. And so, instead of having one entry, you might have 10 entries to win, where somebody else might have one. So you've got 10 times the chance of winning. And as a business owner, you didn't just get them to like opt into an email list. You got them maybe to refer a couple people, which has a lot of value to you. And you've also gotten them maybe to follow you in another channel online, like YouTube, or follow you on Facebook, because, and so any way you can have those touch points creates value. That's the most basic sort of that enter to win mechanic. Because we're tracking points in general, you can call them points, you can call them entries. That's a choice you have in the platform. That enables us to run the other kind of popular campaign. The second most popular campaign in our service is called a reward level giveaway. And so this might be a mechanic where you have ways for people to earn points, let's say by referring their friends online. And you say, hey, when you get 5 friends joined, we're gonna give you this thing. So it might be like, a free t-shirt with your next order, or it might be free shipping, or it might be something tied to, your product, or maybe just you'll ship them the product or whatever it is for free for doing that much work for you. So it's kind of up to the business side, and you can have any number of reward levels. Sometimes this is called a milestone giveaway. Sometimes it's called a ladder giveaway, where people are working their way up milestones or ladders. And giving them away. We call it reward levels because it's like you reached a level, you get a reward. You reach this level, you get a reward. And so that's the next most popular mechanic within the platform. And then the next after that, the third most popular mechanic is probably the concept of a leaderboard. So a leaderboard works as you'd imagine. Because we're tracking points, you can get people to say, hey, the top 5 people are going to be entered or the top 5 people are going to get this reward. So you're just saying, like, you just be near the top and you're valid and you're not fraudulent, and you're going to get this prize. So it's literally just a leaderboard in the top side of it. From that flows the other concept, which is pretty popular, is the concept of building a pre-launch waitlist. Because we have a leaderboard is essentially a line of people organized by their score in a competition, which is what most people want out of building a wait list. So a wait list is, I'm going to launch this Kickstarter campaign for my eco-friendly cooler, or whatever it is. We've seen it all. And we're going to launch this Kickstarter campaign for this eco-friendly cooler. But how do I build an audience before I do that campaign? Because I want to get trending on Kickstarter. So I want to have 5,000 people in my audience before I even launch the Kickstarter. So, give people, the first 1,000 people on the wait list will get, access to the early bird discount on Kickstarter. The next 1,000 people will get access to an exclusive reward on Kickstarter. And you're building this wait list, and people are moving up the wait list, just like they might move up a leaderboard. You could just call it a leaderboard, except that it's a wait list before the product comes out. And so those are the different mechanics that we really offer people to build from. And then people within the platform, because we view ourselves as mostly a platform, can mix and match those mechanics. You could have a wait list that has a giveaway, or a giveaway that also has reward levels tied to it, where there's something in it for everybody could earn, as well as bigger prizes that people could get. And then, we could get into, there's all sorts of fun mechanics that people come up with for the contests, which are supported by our tool, or just how you deal with the rules and the contest you design.